Hey guys, in this video, I will tell you if you can play Geometry Dash on Nintendo Switch 2. All right, let's begin. To determine if Geometry Dash is available, open the Nintendo eShop on your console and use the search function to look for the title specifically. Currently, searching for Geometry Dash brings up a few results, but none of them are the official game developed by RobTop. This confirms that as of right now, it is not possible to play Geometry Dash on the Nintendo Switch 2. This appears to be the case for the original Nintendo Switch as well, as the game has not received an official port to either platform. While there are several similar rhythm-based platformers in the store, the official title remains missing from the library. If you are looking to play the game, you will need to stick with mobile or PC versions for the time being. Always keep an eye on official announcements for any future compatibility updates regarding this popular title. So that's basically all about Geometry Dash on Nintendo Switch 2. That's it for this video. Thanks.